So we got a PC. We're going to be needing a server. Awesome. And let's drop a router and also a switch. So let's deal with the switches first. Now for the switching, I've been practicing a lot with the 2960s. They're pretty easy, pretty standard with the configuration stuff. So let's move this stuff over a little bit. Is the 1841? Where's the 1841? Where are you? 1841. Boom, very standard. Let's connect a couple of things. So to connect, this is the lightning bolt right here. We are going to use a copper straight through, which is basically a Ethernet. So I'm going to actually, for the router, fast Ethernet 00 is going to connect to 01. And let's do another one. Fast 01 is going to hook up to 001. The PC only has one Ethernet, and this is going to hook up to fast 02. Server only has one Ethernet, and that's going to hook up to this switch, which would be fast 02. But we need to get to enable mode. We also need to get into, well, I'm in enable mode, and I want to show you guys show run, which is a command, show run config, hit enter. This right here is going to show us our configuration on this switch. So what we're going to do is config T. All right, so let's configure this. First thing, let's change the host name. We're going to do a command of host name. We need to set up a domain name. So IP domain name. So from here, we need to create a username. This is really up to you, but for this little lab that we're doing together, I'm going to call it username admin. And then I'm going to do secret, and then we're going to give it the secret password of Cisco. So when I'm logging into this machine and I'm configuring it and I need to, do my thing, it's going to prompt me for a username. Username would be admin, password would be Cisco. Again, this is a lab. Most likely do not use admin and do not use Cisco. We're going to hit enter there. Awesome. We are going to enable the secret. So enable secret, and it's going to be Cisco. We're going to do crypto. Hopefully I spell it right. Auto completed. Key generate. We're going to do RSA. We're going to do general key. You guys are not able to see that, so let me zoom out. General key module, and we're going to do a 1024. We're going to hit enter there. Now, next command is going to be IPSSH. You could do V2. Now we need to do a line console. We're going to do 0 on that. You're going to see that the command prompt changes to config line. We're going to do a login local.